My name is Brian Hillner, and I'm the product manager for SOLIDWORKS Visualize. So Visualize enables anyone to create beautiful photo quality images, animations, and other immersive VR content in the fastest and easiest way possible. It's made for anybody who has access to any 3D model at any point in the design pipeline, and you can easily throw that into Visualize, drag and drop a few materials, and then it looks just like you would if you produced it physically. So also what's new in Visualize 2018, and pretty much what I'm most excited about, is now you can create virtual reality content directly from Visualize Pro. This is a huge game-changing feature and workflow for our customers, and really helps our customers bring their products to market faster. Our goal with virtual reality was to bring it to the masses with Visualize 2018. We wanted to be super pervasive with this new feature, and everybody has smartphones in their pockets, right? So you don't have to spend $800, $400 on an awesome virtual reality headset. You can spend $15 on a Google Cardboard, use your smartphone, and boom, you can teleport yourself right into your CAD file. And why this is important is, think if you are designing manufacturing plants, or airline interiors, or train interiors, or even homes, houses, architectures, any place that a person can physically go inside of. You can actually cut hundreds of thousands of dollars of expensive prototyping or errors in manufacturing by taking your 3D model, putting it into Visualize Pro, painting it up, making it look photoreal, and using this new 360 spherical camera to create this virtual reality content. We really wanted to bring virtual reality to the masses with Visualize Pro 2018, which is why we focused on the smartphone workflow.